All right, here's question number 2. It says, Karla earns $6,500 a month. She spends 52% of it and saves 25% of the remainder. The rest of the money is used to pay rent. How much is Karla's rent? Now, this sounds tricky at first, but this is where a bar model is going to come in handy. I know right away that 52% of it is spent. So I'm going to go just a little bit more than half, and I'm going to put that this is 52%, and that is spent. It is gone. Boom. Now, it says she saves 25% of the remainder. So this is the remainder, and 25% of it is saved. Now, I know, and I hope you guys know, that 25% is the same as the fraction 1/4. Put that over here. 25% equals 1/4. So that means if I cut this into 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, that this part right here is saved. Saved. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I'm going to erase this. This is 52%, which means this has to be 100 minus 52%. And if you do the math, you'll see that that is 48. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So if I do 48 divided by 4, I know that each slice here is 12%. 12%, 12%, 12%. Now, reading the problem again, I know she spends 52%. I have that already here. She saves 25% of the remainder. That's right here. The rest of the money is used to pay rent. So all of this is now going to be rent. Now, how much is Karla's rent? So, I'm going to erase this again, give myself a little bit more room. So 12 plus 12 plus 12 is 12 times 3. So we're looking at 36% of how much she makes. $6,500 is rent. Now, you could do the traditional method of 36 over 100 times 6,500 over 1. We can cross simplify. 100 and 6,500 are both divisible by 100, which makes my denominator world very easy. My numerator is going to be 65. So I've got to do 36 times 65, and that's going to be her rent. That's all I have to do. So let's do it. 65 times 36. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 3 is 39. Got to do my placeholder 0. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 6 is 18. Add 1 and I've got 19. I add everything up. Carry my 1. This is going to be 13. And so her rent is $2,340 is Karla's rent. So there you go. Solve number 2.